He swept floors for 50 years, drove an old, rusty Toyota, and wore the same faded $10 jacket for decades. But when he passed away, the world discovered he was hiding a secret fortune worth over $8 million. This is the unbelievable true story of Ronald Read, a man who never made more than $12 an hour, yet died a multi-millionaire. And what's even more shocking, you could follow the same steps without winning the lottery, starting a business, or working 80-hour weeks. Ronald Read was born in a small Vermont town in 1921. He grew up during the Great Depression, where saving every penny wasn't a lesson, it was survival. After serving in World War II, he returned home with no inheritance, no business, and no special advantage. He got a job at a local gas station, then later worked as a janitor at JCPenney. Day after day, he swept floors, stacked shelves, and smiled at customers who barely noticed him. But under that quiet life, Ronald was building something far greater than anyone could see. Ronald had one quiet obsession: saving and investing. Each payday, he tucked away a few dollars, sometimes $20, sometimes $50, no matter what. When co-workers spent bonuses on new gadgets or nights out, Ronald bought something else: shares of companies he believed would last. He didn't follow trends or chase hot stocks. He invested in strong, boring, dividend-paying businesses, names like Procter & Gamble, Johnson & Johnson, and JP Morgan Chase. Every time a dividend landed, he reinvested it. Every time he got a small raise, he increased the amount he invested. He kept handwritten notes of every company he owned, neat columns, tidy figures, patient updates. His friends thought he was just good with money. They had no idea he was quietly compounding his way to freedom. For decades, Ronald let his money work. While others worried about market crashes or sold when stocks fell, he did nothing. He understood that time, not timing, is the greatest wealth builder. Albert Einstein once called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. Ronald didn't quote Einstein, he lived it. Each dividend reinvested was a seed. Decade after decade, those seeds grew into forests. By the time he was in his 90s, his portfolio was sprawling, a collection of America's strongest companies worth over $8 million. And still, he drove his old Toyota and stopped for coffee at the same diner every morning. When Ronald Read passed away in 2014, his neighbors were stunned. The news broke that the quiet janitor had left $8 million to his local hospital and library, two places that served his community for decades. Reporters rushed to find out how he did it. There was no secret inheritance, no lucky lottery ticket, just a lifetime of humility, consistency, and unshakable patience. Ronald's story isn't about luck, it's about discipline. He didn't need a finance degree or a perfect timing strategy. He followed 4 simple rules anyone can copy. 1. Live below your means. 2. Invest consistently. 3. Own great companies that pay you to wait. 4. Let time do the heavy lifting. The hardest part isn't finding the right stock, it's having the patience to hold it for decades. Ronald started with tiny amounts, the same way you can today. If you've been waiting for the perfect moment to begin investing, that moment is right now. Ronald's story is just the beginning. Next, we'll reveal how McDonald's built a money machine that doesn't depend on selling burgers at all. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Ronald Read proved that wealth isn't reserved for the rich, it's for the patient. He turned small, steady steps into a legacy that will outlive him forever. Start your journey today, because in 20 years, you'll wish you had started now.